Okay, we promise you this is the last thing we will show you today, and right after this, we are going to take you to your purchases. We know you're impatient to get your hands on them, but we are eager to make sure you get your hands on the maximum amount of YouTube traffic possible. And we have created something really cool to help you do just that. So, give us 2 minutes of your time, and we promise you that you are going to learn something new even if you don't buy what we're selling here. Okay, so you've been all about ranking videos so far. We get that. Videos get you the maximum amount of traffic from YouTube. But before you can rank a video, you'll need to make it. And you'll need to pit it against all the videos that are dominating those keywords. What if we told you there was a way to get traffic and rankings without making a video? And that you could even use the best videos in your niche to power your own traffic? Sounds unbelievable? Hear us out for a minute more. Do a YouTube search right now for anything you want. What do you see? Videos, yes, but you'll also see playlists. YouTube playlists show up in top 10 of nearly every search made. They are right alongside the videos, and people love finding best curated video playlists. The good thing is not many people are targeting them, so it is possible to rank videos for really tough keywords using nothing but playlists. And to get the views, all you need to do is put your own videos at the best places in the playlist. Put them on top, then at the bottom, and you'll get a huge chunk of views from keywords you could never imagine you could rank for. There, we taught you a huge secret trick. If you want, you can stop watching this video right now and go ahead and implement it. Or just keep watching to find out how we can save you hours doing this. You see, creating playlists is hard work. You'll need to find the right keywords, then find the correct videos to put in those playlists. Then publish your playlists on YouTube. Making a playlist can take you 20 to 30 minutes, and to really make an impact, you need to create hundreds. What if we automated everything for you? Yes, right from finding topics to curating to publishing them. Everything done for you in minutes. That'd be fantastic, wouldn't it? That's what Playtraffic does. Our powerful software will automate the playlist marketing technique 100%. Invest in it and you'll be raking in even more traffic than you hoped for. See the demo below and find out how powerful it is. By the way, you have our 30 days refund guarantee, so allow me to give you a super idea. Get Playtraffic, create playlists non-stop for 30 days, and then if you want to let go of it, we will refund the entire amount. We'll close your access to Playtraffic, but we can't touch the playlist you've created. Voila! You've got tons of fresh and traffic-pulling playlists out there for free. Here's your Playtraffic challenge. Get it, and let's see if you have the heart to let go of it later. Grab it right now before this special deal expires.